Alright, Kadir is going to try one of these finest. Pick box number 6. Alright. Here we go, Kadir. Time to hit a superfractor out of this stuff. We're due. Mike Evans, the odds are probably astronomical. I'm not going to read them now. Do they have them there? I don't even see the odds on here anymore. You look at the odds, it says superfractor. Odds are you ain't getting one. That's all the odds are. Odds are you ain't getting it. Kenny Bell. Jersey autograph, yeah. Carlos Williams, number to 150 gold. Vince Mail. Pulled a lot of Carlos Williams today. Garrett Grayson. Carlos Hyde. There's a good, that's a pretty nice card actually. He got scared last week. That's what he said. 5 of only 10 though. Aaron Rodgers. Those are hard to get. 5 of 10. 199 Cameron Artis Payne. J.J. Watt and Tom Brady. And it is patch autograph Javorius Allen. Okay. Matt Jones. $2.99 Brashad Perryman. Tom Brady refractor. David Johnson X-Fractor in the last pack, Kadir. Eli Manning, blue version to 250. Garrett Grayson. I'm looking forward to that game this weekend. Tom Brady and Eli. That should be fun. It's a Super Bowl rematch. Alright, let's recap it here. We have jersey of Kenny Bell. Javorius Allen is the patch autograph. And you did get one of the cards. You got some other numbered cards, but your shortest print was Aaron Rodgers, 7 of only 10. And that's it. I'll get it on the way, Kadir. Thanks, buddy.